my little friends. I'm Patch, your friendly neighbourhood narrator. Are you ready for an incredible adventure? Well, before we embark on this journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We have tons of exciting stories waiting just for you. Now stay with me till the end, because at the end of our tale, there's a lesson to be learned. So are you ready? Great! Once upon a time in a faraway land, there lived a silly, sneezing elephant named Ella. Ella had a peculiar problem. Whenever she sneezed, things went flying everywhere. Achoo! She'd trumpet, and off went the birds, balloons, and even the bees. It was quite a sight to see. Ella's friends, the wise owl and the jolly monkey, tried to help her. "Don't worry, Ella," said the owl. "We'll find a way to stop your sneezes." Together they set off on an adventure to seek a solution. Along the way they met a melodious mouse who sang, "A sneeze so grand it shakes the land." They giggled and continued their search. Suddenly they stumbled upon a wise old tree who whispered, "Listen, my friends, the answer lies within. Embrace your sneezes and let the magic begin." Ella was puzzled, but she decided to give it a try. As she sneezed, instead of chaos, there was calm. The birds chirped in delight, the balloons danced in the air, and the bees buzzed happily. Ella had finally discovered the power of her sneezes. From that day on, Ella embraced her gift and became the laughter of the land. And the lesson we learned, my dear friends, is to embrace our uniqueness and never be afraid to show the world who we truly are. The end.